students, we are continuing lesson number 6, slide organization in PowerPoint. Children, last time we discussed about word art object and also we studied how can we insert a word art object. Children, word art is a feature that help us to create a special text effect. We can insert word art object and we can set our text wavy. We can apply 3D effects to our word art object and we can just make more beautiful in our presentation. And to insert a word art object, we use word art button that is located on a text group. Children, when we click on a drop down arrow of word art button, we see word art gallery opens. This gallery shows different types of word art styles that we can apply, and we will click on any one style that we like. We will see the placeholder will appear on the slide with the same word art style. Now we will just click on it and type the word, and we will see that word will come in the same word art style. So this way children, we insert word art object in our presentation. Now today we will understand that how can we change the color of word art style that we have selected. To change the text color, first of all we will click on the word art object and we'll just go to the format tab. And children, on a format tab we see there is a text fill button. We will just click on a drop down arrow of that button that is on a word art style group. We will see different types of colors will come. We can select any color, and children, you will see that that color will also reflect on the word art object. If you want to apply it, we will just click on it and it will apply to our word art object. Now children, if we want, we can also change the outline color of word art object. To change the outline color of the word art object, we just click on the word art and we will come to the format tab and we use a text outline button that is also located in a word art style group. We will just click on a drop down arrow and we will see that different types of colors for the outline of word art object will come. We can just select any color and it will apply to our word art object. Now children, in word art style group there are different types of options are given. We can use them like text effect button. From the text effect button we can just use a glow option. To use a glow option, first of all we will just select the word art object and we will come to the format tab and we will just click on a drop down arrow of text effect option and we will see that various options are coming like shadow, reflection, glow. So we will just come to the glow option and we will just select the any effect that we like from glow variation section and we will find out that there will be a beautiful change in the word art text. So this way we can just apply the glow option to our word art object children. Now children, we will understand the use of text box. Children, text box allow us to add a text. Children, suppose we have taken a blank layout for our slide and if you want to write a text, add a text to the slide, we will use a text box option that is in the insert tab. We will just click on the insert tab and we will just use text box tool in the text group of insert tab. Now we will hold down the left mouse button children and we will drag the mouse button diagonally toward the right side and we will release the mouse button. We will just see that rectangular box will come with the cursor inside it. Cursor will come inside it because we want to write the text in a text box. And now we will type our text. After that we will click outside of the text box. Children, we can change the font size, font color of the text. One more thing is there children, that the text box we used in our slide will only display a normal view in the slide pane, but it will not come in an outline view. As you can see that we have opened an outline view in the left side pane and you will see that on a 5th number slide it is not showing any text because the text we have typed on a slide number 5 We have not typed normally, we have used a text box. Children, it is a object and outline view only shows the content that we have typed normally. It never shows the object. Now we will understand that how can we use clipart in PowerPoint. Children, clipart is a gallery of pictures that allow us to add pictures in the slide, and we can add cliparts to enhance the appearance of slide. Children, you also know very well that whenever the some information we have to give to others, if we just use visuals, charts, pictures, it has a great impact on audience, and also they can understand the content very effectively. So for that reason we can also use clipart in our PowerPoint presentations. Now to use a clipart, children, we will just use insert tab and clipart button that is in the image group. When we click on a clipart button, we will see clipart task pen appears right side of the window, children. This is the clipart task pen that has a search in options are given, and in clipart task pen we will type the computer because we want to find the clipart of computer, and we will click on a go button. It will display the list of clipart images related to the computer. And now to insert clipart of computer, we will select any clipart and just we will click on a down arrow of a clipart. We will see insert option will come and we will click on the insert button. We will see that selected clipart will be inserted in our slide in the center location. Children, we can resize the clipart, we can increase the size of clipart, we can decrease the size of clipart, and also we can change its location. So this way we can insert clipart in PowerPoint presentation to make it more effective. Thank you.